Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on Vivo phones. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Fingerprint, Face, and Password. This is your gateway to enhanced security features. Next, you will see an option called Privacy and App Encryption. Tap on this to move to the next crucial step. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, taking only a few moments to complete and ensuring your privacy. Now you will be prompted to set a privacy password. Choose a strong, memorable password that is different from your lock screen password. This adds an extra layer of protection. After setting it, you will need to confirm it by entering it again. Then, select and answer 2 security questions. These questions are vital for recovering your password if you ever forget it, ensuring you always have access. With your privacy password set, tap on App Encryption. Here, you will see a list of all your installed applications. Go through the list and select the specific apps you want to hide from your home screen and app drawer. For each chosen app, simply toggle on the Hide App option. This action immediately removes the app icon from general view, making it accessible only through a special gesture. To access your hidden applications, it's quite simple. From your home screen, perform an upward swipe gesture using 2 fingers. This unique gesture activates the hidden app drawer. You will then be prompted to enter your privacy password. Once you correctly input your password, all your hidden applications will instantly become visible, allowing you to use them as needed. This method keeps your private apps secure and easily accessible only to you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.